What's up, everybody? It is Sully. We are on the Pro Sport Pro Cat. So nice, named it Pro twice. We're doing a little upgrade on this one. We've got the ACR spotlight. We've got our solid solar panels right here, and our antennas. We made some plates to cover up some of the holes on there because we're trying to get this thing done quickly. But if you'll notice, we've got this beautiful sea view mount right here. No radar. Now, why is there no radar on there? Well, that's because there's shortages. Told you guys in a video, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago that we are starting to see supply shortages and backlogs. Well, guess what? It's catching up to us now. So, as we come on down here, you'll see in the overhead box here, we have dual solar panel controllers. Got our VHF radio, all that's networked in. We've gone to the Garmin 16-inch display here, and we've got our Fusion. We did a new Fusion onto it. That's all mounted nicely into this nav pod. We've done new acrylic for the instrument panel. The mid dash here, we've got new acrylic, and look at that, another hole. Why is there another hole? No autopilot control head. Those are on back order. Got the autopilot in. We can control that through our Garmin MFD right here, so we can do our dockside calibration, dockside wizard, and all that good stuff. So it's ready to go. It's usable, but we're seeing the back order, folks. It's here. You're looking to do a job, prepare for some delays for some parts here and there as things are starting to trickle in. So that's it. Another install coming to an end here. And if you want to do some work with us, hit us up. Sales at Navtronics. Love to talk to you guys. Peace.